On the date of your installation appointment, our installers will arrive at your home and go over a few checklist items before beginning the installation. The installers will ensure that you have a properly functioning window, as well as make sure you have a 3-prong compatible outlet plug within 4 feet of the window. It is recommended that nothing else be plugged into the same wall outlet as your new portable heat pump to reduce the risk of fire or injury. Assembly. Next, the installers will start assembling the different components for the installation. They will begin by attaching the connectors to each end of both hoses. This is done by twisting the connectors onto the hoses until they are secure. There are 2 hoses, exhaust and intake. The intake hose is slightly smaller in diameter than the exhaust hose. When attaching the hoses to the back of the machine, the larger exhaust hose will connect to the side with the metal grate. The smaller intake hose will connect to the side with the plastic grate. Next, the installers will adjust the window slider kit. They will secure the extension piece in place by tightening the 2 screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. The slider kit will be placed inside the frame of your window, extended to the proper length, and secured in place by tightening the 2 screws. The installers will then extend both hoses and connect them to the window kit by clipping them onto the slider kit. Operations. To turn the unit on, press the button on the top left of the control panel. The unit will automatically start in air conditioning mode. To cycle between the 4 modes, press the button on the top right. Press the button once for dehumidifying, twice for fan only, and 3 times to reach heating mode. The mode the unit is currently in will be displayed on the screen using these symbols. To adjust the fan speed, press the middle button on the left side of the control panel. 3 bars is high, 2 is medium, and 1 bar is low fan speed. To utilize the timer function, press the middle button on the right side of the control panel. Use the up and down arrow buttons to set how many hours you want the unit to run before shutting off. To turn the timer function off, press the timer button twice. To adjust the temperature, use the up and down arrow buttons on each side of the bottom of the control panel. To turn the unit off, press the button on the top left of the control panel. Maintenance. When the internal tank is full, the warning light will appear. To drain the tank, connect the water pump hose into the built-in drain pump outlet located under the exhaust hose. Make sure you have a bucket to collect the water or place the open end of the hose in a drain area. To remove the drain hose, push the quick release button located above the drain pump outlet. You may also drain the unit by rolling it onto a drain location or flat tray and removing the lower drain port. There is an optional activated carbon filter that comes with the unit. To install, extend it over the reusable filter and push it through the plastic pegs to secure it into place. Finally, slide the filters back into the unit. Disassembly. To remove the hoses from the slider kit, twist the hose connector and pull to remove from kit. To remove the window kit, loosen the screws that are securing the extension piece and lower the top half, making it easily removable from the window. To disconnect the hoses from the unit, you will press the button directly under the hose connections while pushing the hoses downward.